Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Profesor Dr. Deddy Purwana, dosen dari Program Studi Pendidikan dan Administrasi Perkantoran, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saat ini saya merupakan dosen pembimbing satu dari mahasiswa yang bernama Regita Yulianing Tias dengan judul skripsi efikasi diri sebagai media pengaruh pendidikan kewirausahaan dan motivasi berwirausaha terhadap minat berwirausaha pada mahasiswa Fakultas Ekonomi Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Berikut adalah paparan penelitian tersebut. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Regita Yulianing Tias from Office Administration on Education 2019. In this video, I will present my thesis proposal. The title is Self-Efficacy as an Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Entrepreneurial Motivation on Entrepreneurial Interest in Education Student at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. This thesis consists of 5 chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Literature Review, Chapter 3, Research Methods, Chapter 4, Results and Discussion, and Chapter 5, Closing. Next, Chapter 1, Introduction. 1. Research background. It is not something new to hear information about how important it is for a country to have many entrepreneurs. The existence of entrepreneurs is a very large income for a country because entrepreneurs can contribute to the country's economy in the form of tax to pay. Therefore, it can be said that entrepreneurs have a very important role in the success of a country. Next, entrepreneurship requires a willingness to take calculated risks so that you can overcome obstacles to achieve the expected success. Limited employment opportunity that have an impact on high unemployment rates make people, especially students, aware of the importance of entrepreneurship. The table beside is unemployment data for university graduates for the last 5 years. Next, research was conducted on 51 respondents who were studying in 4 study programs at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. The diagram beside is research results of student interest in entrepreneurship. Next, research question. First, is there an influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest? Second, is there an influence of entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest? Third, is there an influence of self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest? Four, is there an influence of entrepreneurship education on self-efficacy? 5. Is there an influence of entrepreneurial motivation on self-efficacy? 6. Is there an influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy? And 7. Is there an influence of entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy? Next, research purpose. First, knowing the influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest. Second, knowing the influence of entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest. Third, knowing the influence of self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest. Fourth, knowing the influence of entrepreneurship education on self-efficacy. 5. Knowing the influence of entrepreneurial motivation on self-efficacy. 6. Knowing the influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy. And 7. Knowing the influence of entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy. Next, benefits of research. For research, researchers hope to provide new insight into entrepreneurial interest and entrepreneurial motivation, and researchers can gain experience. For students, can provide ideas to students who want to start their own business. With the efforts of students must have an entrepreneurship interest and entrepreneurial motivation, and for academics, can be used as reference material by students who conduct research so as to facilitate the process of gathering information. Next, chapter 2, literature. Next, supporting theory. First, entrepreneurial interest. According to Mudianti and Virayati 2020, Wardani and Dewi 2021, Septiawati 2017, Karen Hapuk et al. 2020. Entrepreneurial interest is something that is driven by one's own will to start a business that makes him learn, know and get new challenges and likes to take on this challenge. Second, entrepreneurship education. According to Shafia Fatiani 2021, Ningseh and Kurniawan 2021, Munawar 2019, Yumadani and Murniawati 2019, entrepreneurship education is the goal of educational institution so that students can have knowledge, attitudes, moral, and be creative. Third, entrepreneurial motivation. According to Noviantoro and Rahmawati 2017, Daniel and Handoyono 2021, Nurianto 2020, Karibera et al. 2023. Entrepreneurial motivation is a person encouragement to start a business and ensure that the business goals are achieved. 4. Self-efficacy. According to Marco and Slama 2022, Susanto 2017, Blegur and Handoyono 2020, Yanti 2019. Self-efficacy is self-confidence or self-confidence in a person to achieve a result with his own ability. Next, hypothesis. H1. Entrepreneurship education has a direct effect on entrepreneurial interest in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. H2. Entrepreneurial motivation has a direct effect on entrepreneurial interest in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. H3. Self-efficacy has a direct effect on entrepreneurial interest in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. H4. Entrepreneurship education has a direct effect on self-efficacy in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. H5. Entrepreneurial motivation has a direct effect on self-efficacy in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. H6. Entrepreneurship education has an indirect effect on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. And H7. Entrepreneurial motivation has an indirect effect on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy in students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. Chapter 3. Research. First, time and plans. The time of the research is June 2023 and January 2024. The research location is at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. Second, population. All of the 2019 class of education students at the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta, totaling 178 students. Third, sample. Accounting education 20, business education 33, economic education 43, and Office Administration Education 27. Next, instrument development. Two independent variable, one dependent variable, and one moderator variable. Two, data collection technique. The data collection uses a questionnaire to student and data analysis technique. The data analysis technique in this study use SmartLS version 4. Next, chapter 4, results and discussion. Next, data description. Respondent profile 123. Respondent gender male 41%, female 59%. Study program accounting education 16%, business education 27%, economy education 35%, and office administration education 22%. Next, author model analysis. First, convergent validity, auto riding, and Cronbach alpha. Next, second, discriminant validity. Discriminant validity for non-Parker. Third, composite reliability. Next, inner model analysis, R square. Next, hypothesis test, Pett coefficient. X1 has a significant effect on Y. X2 has a significant effect on Y. Z has a significant effect on Y. X1 has a significant effect on Z. X2 has a significant effect on Z. X1 has not a significant effect on Y troc Z, and X2 has a significant effect on Y troc Z. Next, chapter 5, closing. Next, conclusion. First, there is a significant influence between entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest, so H1 is accepted. Second, there is a significant influence between entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest, so H2 is accepted. Third, there is a significant influence between self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest, so H3 is accepted. Fourth, there is a significant influence between entrepreneurship education on self-efficacy, so H4 is accepted. 5. There is a significant influence between entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest, so H5 is accepted. 6. There is a significant influence between entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest or self-efficacy, so H6 is rejected. And 7. There is a significant influence between entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest or self-efficacy, so H7 is accepted. Next, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your listening. May all tools we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.